Hello again, welcome back to Storm Chasing Single Player with me, your boy. The sirens just went off, so I'm waiting for a tornado, but we got the two OGs here. Since I've been focusing on probe deployment so much, I figured I should do some actual, getting in the tornado. I think only this one. Nope, none of them have speedometers. And it's an F1 anyway, so can't really see it, but I should take the Dominator. Which one's the camera button? Yeah, we're Timmer. Is it seriously going back to where we just were? Let's go into the farmhouse. Hold on. Let's watch the destruction of the TIV. It's at a render distance, you can't even see it. Oh yep, it's got it. It's kind of like, wee. It just stopped carrying it in a second. That's pretty impressive, it's just carrying it. I've never seen that before. It's just carrying the TIV. I think it dropped it. No, it didn't drop it. Is it just dragging it? It might drop it in the ditch. Look at that. Can you not? Thank you. That's just impressive. It drug it from, let me see. It was parked here. It drug it from clear over here, round that building, clear back, and all the way up here. That's pretty impressive. Okay, now, because this is bothering me. Yeah, see, it's right here that I can do that. But, I'm actually going to make the distance on these a little longer. Boom. I like that better. It's like high beams at night when you get like flashbanged with the frickin' and prop. I think the collisions are disabled for this. Yeah. Here we go. Let's take the Dominator out again. And these things, like I think it's an LW car, like they have set speeds. You can't get them to go any faster. I've tried. But now I have lights, so I can do that. Please be something big. I say that and F5 spawns right in front of me. have a version of the Dominator with the speedometer on it. I don't know where that went. Another F1? Are you kidding me? I would put a speedometer and screen on these, but it takes a long time. Hold on. I don't think that's up or down any further. I think just the way that they're textured. No, I need to get it in you, not outside of you. We're just gonna leave the Titus there. I mean, it's still on our property. And actually, let's hop across the field here. This is always fun to do. Just hop across the... We can get really close to this thing, too. And the F1 moves pretty fast by itself. You see it, like, bounce off the edge of the map there? We're super close to this thing. Not really. Let's head right for the Titus again. Where's the camera for the Titus? Oh! It's got it again. It's dragging the Titus. That is just impressive. It's just dragging the Titus. I know where this thing's going. Get there, 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 get there. We're in it. You just get smacked by the Titus. Oh, it's still in there, you see it? Oh, it's in the ditch. I think my camera is... Which? 6. 6 is my camera. Yeah, see, this is Titus. Oh, okay. Oh, now you break. Oh, it's gonna be Titus there. I don't care. I need to turn my headphones up a little bit. Yeah, I'm just gonna cut out the entire part where I was messing with the lights. Yeah, Tornado died. Okay. We're gonna see if we can drag the Titus out. More roleplay, I know. Alright, we'll come back to that. Dominator! Let's get in a tornado. For the views. Just break through the fence real quick. Boom. Deploy, deploy, deploy. Back up, go, go. Go, go. Go, go. I know it's gonna go. Which way is it gonna go? Right, that way. It's gonna make a beeline for the farmhouse. We need to get there before it does. Dominator, go. Go, Dominator, go. I can hear it. We're barely gonna make it. Get in there. Deploy, deploy, deploy. Right there, right in front of us. Hear the windows shatter. Look at that. Get that zoom in hands on that thing. Alright. Pop back up. Shh. Okay, I know where it's going next. Should go back, or it should go up to the farmhouse where the Tiv and the Jimmy are at. That rope should not snap. Keyword being shouldn't. But let's test that theory. Go. 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 It should turn to make a direct beeline for the farmhouse. Deploy. It's coming. I want to know what happens to the... She's coming. Oh Lord, he coming. Oh no, I want to see the Jimmy get sucked up. Oh, there they go! Dang! They flew right past us. Getting picked up again? Oh, Titus! They're gone! Oh man. You can see them flying around in there. That was awesome. It flung them clear across the map. They're still in there. That's why I'm getting 30 FPS right now. Like I said in the last video, you can have the most powerful computer in the world, and this game still manages to bring your any computer to its knees. It's still in there? It's still in there! That's awesome. Let's head right for the gas station again. Let's get inside of it. Okay, sorry. My mom walked in with some hot cocoa. That's why it got really quiet for a second. But anyway, okay. Is it still in there? Oh yeah, this is the path that goes around the map like twice. Okay, it's gonna go back up there. Go, 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 go. It's gonna hit the. It's gonna go up the bridge. Just gonna stop right here. Stop right here. Don't take me away, tornado. We are right next to this thing. I would have liked to have been in that Titus when it got sucked away. It should die right about there, I think. I think it makes a left turn and then dies right there. Yep, I was right. Let's go get the That's a pretty banger way to end off the episode. Gotta cut out the part where I was messing around with the headlights, but other than that, look at this. Another one's coming. It was attached to the windshield of the Titus and the back of the Jimmy, and they're both like clockwise from each other. That's kind of awesome. I am curious. Oh, it's still at full health. Anyway, well, once this stops, I'm going to stop the recording. I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video, 32 minutes. It will probably be cut down, but thank you anyway. Hope you guys have a great day. See ya.